ya schedule dey ya say na bedru ba bia na wo be ka external factors kotia yenti ema bibrem yentimi nkoyanim wadama to asoma me
yo say ye ka external the di kana minchia o chiefo na ye ka external factors natural say ye the African na boom na ya she the free amanoni ye be kan say vertical ebeha Africa for na ansana no ma memfa Africa eni mak ye kiti bia eni so ehayen ni no pe na fe makọ external no be external meka two things ni wi okay nti ye share Africa yan kasa making kind be Plato now Socrates a student Greece for no and also Aristotle the teacher now otna say 428 427 ho akosi 348 347 BC na nyansa odi jai ye o say continent and also mind biara be year as I say di kan hu enipa miensa woni wo oman mu won tibia na saa nipa miensa no ba kon ofre ni say appetitive obi a opebribi adie onya aduane sikei diani wode ne sabom yafunya odie no na se funya odie no ba kon no ba kon so eye courageous o awon bo ehye o wakukudro ena ba kon ye knowledgeable nyansafo enti o si se wo pese o man ana se Africa kwa ni mu a appetitive no should go into production as a set or no or ye bribia etimi ma aduane bi etimi ma isika etimi ma bribia no etimi adibi courageous no say we dey call security agency knowledgeable no and say so so obi a wonim dia e dey show mind so we tia anye yi na wo kofa appetitive the open bribia die no e dey call government mu a we ya no
yewu
sikabi e pie obia obedi so uma courageous no so ebe ruler democracy ya to achine knowledgeable no ono na adwuma ni se obehwe so man no bekoyi o hunim die Africa ye problem ni appetitive for no omo na wuska omo na etimi cost of election cost of so obegina say candidature cost wom so obetimi high vigilante groups ni ade omo na wobie eti omo an be ruye ene ye wie Africa internally your problem back on no back be wa Africa suffer the four traps also what kind water roading show how Europe underdeveloped Africa
that's all
if person will be say kind penny be a friend of Paul Collier Paul the bit me as Pelly Collier me COLLIER the kind of bra me me PhD asema wa ka kire yin o say Africa and woman ma me ma on edin your friend of the bottom billion yes BOTTOM billion
okay
o say lipe bi wo ewia sei mu a ohia no de ye be kosa e be di mpa si e be free ohia no so ba Africa o say Africa four traps bi na ejiji yin mfidie na ejiji yin the kind the conflict trap the civil wars na ethnic conflicts near the wiswa political conflict ye kotoaba ofebu anyi transwo o transwa to kwensi Ivory Coast Sudan okoya ye toaba the HDC Ivory Coast 2007 se Kenya asamu si ho share Liberia share Sierra Leone share Rwanda hwe Burundi yi ema yenyi ye no ye tosumi no the natural resource trap. And so last week was it Monday now kase Ghana ha oil a yitu gold a yitu yen diamond yen manganese ukeni nyina bom ye timber ye cha ye kokwa ye produce no ye keni nyina bom a sen ne yenya mining sector no ekofo fira brochi ene be mine mai on di nyina ko Kwame Nkrumah mpese ye kom mili ye gold ewa brochi nti usi bibi anka ebe refine ye gold no wo ha ewo takwa aye white elephant I see what you see the natural resource trap sikano ayenya no ye tisi ye two diamond wo ha ye two gold wo ha ye two oil wo ha nenso sikano ntra ha ekwa abonten ebio eye landlocked with bad neighbors. African countries be ye landlocked no ye countries epona ho nti one day one person won kompo ano at least of country it is a Burkina Faso or the near Masa Ghana ekwa abonten sa landlord country no se wo hwe amanye etwa ne ho ehia na won nyina ye hiafo a oman sa nso be ye ohiani it is a ohia eyensa poverty contagious. It is a coronavirus. The chill oman bi no oman bi benwa. It will chino. It will shake Burkina Faso. Amaya trying to ehia nyina ye hiafo. Ushe Uganda sa eti nyina ye hiafo. Uko Europe, Switzerland or a landlocked. But she amaya trying to ehia nyina ye sikafo. Eti Switzerland sikeni. Example back one with the man. I say final one no bad governance. The nipa share and so on. One share one day, one is selfish. Master, we share we are same one. A nipa ye very good leaders, no one year Japadibia. We are Antigana Hanahisha Kwame Nkrumah, one chamber cry yenibia. Unyebi. Only dear tree, because we have one fee. Now be him say Ghana sika and I want the say Jumana Mawon, no Busia, no mine ebre. And the traps 9 say in free and swap a bed in South Africa, Yabekoyanim. Media no see ho, never much external factors. No,
Pachoko
external factors, no, ye baby kind of shit. Senior. Abofun kasa ehun on the can buy ebe fine say ye enkoa ekoye actually raw materials in Myanmar ye gold ye bibia your madam for be we know ye PhD in America now see macro yanko Birmingham Palace na gold wo yanko je from there ibisa na sa den o see Birmingham Palace gold da ho esi ho ni nyina da ho no a edibo won ho adwa no if Ghana nti yanko je de na misiri sa but my dinu ho a ma hu se sanity nti se ebrochefo aye yi a enema mo be fa na ha no no mu di nyansa to ho no e ka ho na mo aye yi edoso but me twaso no you will be a friend world system theory. External factors in the no. World system theory no say. We are saying why you want. Ya chemu miensa. Miensa ya cheno. The kind of your friend call for no. One the G8 no ya wuti won kano. Ya won ye G7. Ya no ye G20. On the be a room. One take decisions. And no free what ye were semi-periphery. One go for a from second world. Brazil, Taiwan, South Korea, ni one year come the Asian Tigers. One a train on ba sorry. And ye what the periphery. One ye and here for in Africa, come home, we the South Africa Timor, ya Kenya eka ho na ebinom nso wɔ South East Asia a wɔn nso ka ho saa nkurɔfoɔ yɛn a yɛka ho Ghana ka ho no yɛni ano ɛwɔ amanyom ɛwɔ wiase amanyom nti the cocoa price on a determine my oil OPEC and ehwe mpanimfo sika yɛde wiase a cocoa box mu busia with institutions in ba kokra ni ha ni nyina ɛwɔ Europe and America eti wo ko busia wa MFO a ti sɛ wo ko the same America and na sɛ wo ko Geneva open the World Bank ti sɛ wo ko omu determine how much to give to the poor if you say ultimi enye sika enchen won eti won determine ye bibiara eti ye dane won ye will be a friend of neo-colonialism. Ye independence and ye political independence, but one for economic independence and kayen home. Eti tiliano kuko ujina kwentia. Enuntina ye tiyo mayemuni. Samini uye research ye generated data. Na data nekase abayina diya oye ne enya. Ubeye NDC na se ubeye MPP because it's here third party see back. But if you World Bank and IMF badia any no cre no mudia yen. And now once you see schools akesie, universities and in Niema attractive our brochure. And ye nay ye slaves you. One faship me see ho empire kusiri. Ye ni eko slaves. Now ukwa brochure matra ho kakra na wo hwe niema bibifo a ho famu a na eya ho eya me bisa me students say mu do sen na mu wi school a mu betina mai mu a masa let me nya 90% a won intra ha won nyina peso ko na e show you baby a me ko school a brochire ye bibifo a ne ye friends orientation 150 the whole university here in Africa. Na final day no, one drop a continent in Eti baby a free no akojina America for akojina one day, Europe for akojina India, Yensu akojina India, one free Australia no me ade obi akojina ne die so. No penny no bisa say. Na mu school he na opesa ukoye adwuma. Asa kai miensa ipa miensa ene yegina yini so Africa so onyina etukoi bi obia kojina Europe bia kojina America do na America ni Europe e ka miensa to be frank with you ye 6 na na ye me class ye we me nkwa na msa ba Ghana obia ka ho eti bi bisa se enipa no a ni nyansa no akwa sua de no hunu de ye se de nkroma akosua ye hunu de ye a de be ye ni me na yakoka do kire ye mma no adentia ebisa wo ba wo adwen pa wo pese wo de bo akora e beka se wonye non political party bi o man ye tiri so won gina platform so enye dede be hunu se wo a party bi afa wo adwen kra useless if you say obi em fro se be bo ni mo man no the problem kesiye ni bi na no external factor oma bibiare wa brochire no echen yen Africa ha ye die we di obi oni say so wo hwe after World War II they wanted to see why ebe me yakoso ayenkwada ba ko ni say the Marshall Plan after Second World War omushiemu na oshiemu no ene wote IMF ene wote World Bank sabre no na ye International Bank for Reconstruction and Development war ninti na obiara obetimi yenye sika na war technology a wodi be develop woman no na ekire se ese ma obosia se IMF ehwese bosia no be sen tia ne ma regulations ni ade a wodi be manage sika no aka ho be sine 1945 basically and ye this KBC hose and only dollar and only international means of exchange and to Russia pound sterling or euro change dollar and so dollar no one you use it is 1945 say no name yes it is your mind we African we seek our can local currency more we need just a $100 it is it's got for a war or my mono or better radio swap say dollars say oko high will be dying cry equal to $2 you really na kwakusi abrophobia wonye enebra enso adwumani ha esese ipanu ya bosono kura yintimintua no $100 and I said $200 kura yintimintua enso yekotu ye bibiara ewo dollar mu ye toso bio adwenia yakwadie free abrochire anasa abrochire fo ade ye mfe no ye de adwene no ya toache no broni dwene enyum odwene broni ayobi a oye clairvoyant e brofo no obi a politically odwin kwa enim so ochina chi we de minkanti aban bi dem ma me misa question we say senya yade we na aba ana nkrofo free SHS for yi on atwere won software wie ana ye admissions they say double track until almost double in the university. And she said, "Barely in university more. I did receive more free." I want to be busy. A tea, son, you know, and where me can't kaya bang. Say, I can buy universities no more. As you say, oh my, Timui, you need Juma or be SHS or Koye, or be SHS one couple here or Beko University. Enko University no nyina no enko poli na bia one qualifies wo be assignment wo de fa filling stations e wo man mu on etiti ho ebu fuel no my research be from Accra to Takoradi the highest paid 500 cities no kra no just oben station ni wa etini tuani sa enti de make up people obiara pese Oko University. So be a person Oko University there. And na preparation ben ya university they receive francophone na. And nay utimiko class about kwa which any probably 200 300 idea. Now we move be do 600 700 and a dino him. And when me ma you give say abrofoni you come say if obroni be bibi no a prepare say o how biara enkofa biara na enkofa how biara emma nti eno no na medical kaba ko bia abrofo no omo mpaye yi say be yi no ase na mum omo my direction on the my no yitiaka nti IMF ema loan fine amount loan fe no waji omo expect ene beba omo be hye so omo be direct omo wo ho anu mo aba wo ho anu ma bisa se omo ba sen sika no mu sen no mo sa de ko eti loan no a ye de amount de but omo supervise omo be sa gibi a de wo di be ye no enye
hey Simon
I'm telling you omo expect wo nim fi eya mo wo nim wo ye bidini wo de omo bu se wo nim fi so na ma me hye se ma ye hye se IMF for nipa no a eya omo ba ya hwe omo ages kola no ma be direct president when you say o ga so omo ba kwa itia onka it loan no e de be ma what could it be kakrakapa loan so but in actual fact idea enquiring bia obi na woda no enti eniema we ebinom de hobio no let me know fragmentation yes Africa abofuna succeed Berlin Conference 1884-85 and omo chiche mo partitioning Enti we African media. Men so no who is on count. Enti your francophone, lesophone, anglophone, really can. That's it. You can't see a baby echo. And you're saying, and me, so you have $1, you see echo. And now, on mining in an institution, it's also saying so. Yeah, EU, nay, OAU, a team in 1963. No, say no, Mekase Wapim. Major Ema, Kwame Nkrumah, Selassie Mohamed T, and he said, Ebebuama Africa, mining independence. And 55 countries of Africa will be independent. And the mandate I demand asa. The media say. And the agenda be batted say, yet you are not before na their brain. A bad resources are massa, you will be chain continent beer. Your resources a chain continent beer. About human resource. Which continent Africa to produce 2 secretaries general. So can secretary general, sir. Mimiko school me say min can say secretaries general. But who can secretary general, sir? Ubi enchu. You're producing you back of ye my AU at your Emma Rwanda, you could yes, say America, any Europe, everybody, any UN, or Mano. In 3 months, 800,000 Tutsis and moderate Hutus, you come. Burundi, Sa, Sierra Leone, Ekomog, Koye Biara, Sani Kohono, Yakukuni Panua. I say, Obiara, we are African leader. Now external for one who say we will be officer of Africa boom now we go Africa. You so kind beer so many or buy beer when you your friend is saying call no G7 G8 no we will lead the woman no or yes or challenge and also you will be or soon boom officer of Africa boom a kind beer so near better you'll be a friend no R2P. Responsibility to protect, but you trying to short say R2P. R no capital, not 2 and kasa ye figure a shim, not P. Responsibility to protect. You're a Kofi Annan in the 2000. Now the attorney say, so mine be cold war, and I say ethnic conflict BC. The human rights of civilians are abused. International community no who kwang say oji tankrofo 317 so they have the responsibility to protect ye fasa kwan no so etimi leaders no efiri ho tete no de ye ntimi Kwame Nkrumah de ye na ye ku ene ye no ko Libyan president afie bia o the 15 post states like OAU summit and ye EU no Libya Gaddafi, and I'm saying so responsibility to protect any Congo. And the external factors, a doso na Bribia, your leaders, they are in bed with external leaders. Into when I'm here, na Okoka.
And the young is saying, external factors, and who said doso, and some so,
and some of
Edward, I know better so.
Mate.
Mese Bosu, Metro Sa.
The GD say, what prepare Bibia to my account to Mudia? Yes, sir. The media money in a bumpire and every tree.
I come. Make a Dr. Kwame Adoko for. I'll say up the way I walk Casanopa. Also, we are Okasanopa. It's Dr. J. Yamia Duma Juada, better so a free. One am here, external factors.
Yo, me that's it.
Dr. Kinsley J, a senior lecturer at War University of Cape Coast, and I'll tell 7 ɛbɔ nkɔmɔ no